everyone is an artist until rent is due. Life is a scam because there are people out there who have beautiful talents and we will never get to see them just because the rent is due. And that makes me very sad. That makes me very, very sad. That people can't just be as passionate as they want to be and as artistic as they want to be and do everything they want. Because humans are creators first and foremost before we're anything else. And we don't get to create anymore. We don't get to be passionate anymore. We just have to sit at office desks and make money for companies that are just slowly destroying the earth.